Camp mode transforms your Tesla Model 3 or Model Y into a comfortable overnight space. It's a software feature that keeps the climate control, touchscreen, interior lights, and USB ports powered while the car is parked, essentially turning your Tesla into a mobile camper. It overrides the car's default sleep mode, allowing for extended use without draining the 12-volt battery, which is commonly seen in other vehicles. The system draws about zero point 0.5 to 1 kilowatt hours per hour, depending on settings, enabling several days of operation on a full battery. To activate camp mode, first park your Tesla in a safe and level location with adequate ventilation. This ensures safety and prevents carbon monoxide buildup. Next, on the touchscreen, navigate to the Controls menu, then select Safety and Security. Finally, locate the camp mode option and toggle it on. A warning about battery usage will appear. Consider plugging in your vehicle, if possible, though it's not required. It's recommended to have at least 20 to 30% battery charge before starting. Camp mode maintains power to the climate control system, ensuring a comfortable temperature inside the car. The touchscreen remains active, allowing you to play music, stream videos, or browse the internet. USB ports stay powered to charge your devices, and interior lights can be used as needed. Exterior lights and features like auto lock are disabled to conserve energy. Tesla Camp Mode's battery consumption depends on several factors. On average, it uses 0.5 to 1 kilowatt hour per hour, varying with temperature and settings. For a Model 3 long range with a full 75 kilowatt hour battery, this could run camp mode for 2 to 7 days, depending on conditions. Temperature plays a big role. In colder climates, more energy is needed for heating, increasing consumption. The latest software update v13.2 introduces Eco Camp mode, which minimizes power use and extends duration by 10 to 15% in cold weather. Camp mode prioritizes safety with several important considerations and limitations. First, camp mode is designed exclusively for stationary use. The vehicle must remain completely still, as motion detection will automatically exit the mode to prevent any safety risks while systems are active. Second, camp mode is not recommended for extreme weather conditions. Battery performance can be compromised in very hot or cold temperatures, potentially affecting safety and reliability. Third, Tesla strongly advises against sleeping inside the vehicle during camp mode due to ventilation risks. Limited air circulation could lead to carbon monoxide buildup or inadequate fresh air exchange. Finally, the system continuously monitors battery health and will automatically shut down camp mode if the battery level drops below 5%. This protects against permanent battery damage from deep discharge. To maximize battery life in camp mode, enable Eco Camp if available. This setting prioritizes minimal power usage, extending your camping duration by up to 10 to 15% in cold climates through optimized battery draw and adaptive climate settings. Ensure all doors and windows are properly sealed to minimize heat loss or gain. Use weather stripping or adhesive trim to prevent air leaks, which can significantly reduce the energy needed for climate control. Park in shaded areas to reduce the load on the climate control system. A shade structure can help maintain cooler interior temperatures, decreasing the energy required to cool the cabin. Pre-cool or preheat the car before activating camp mode to reduce initial energy consumption. Set your desired temperature in advance so the system doesn't work as hard to reach it. Turn off unnecessary features to further reduce energy draw. Disable interior lights, unused USB ports, or any non-essential systems to conserve battery power during extended use. By following these tips, you can significantly extend your camp mode efficiency. Monitor your battery, temperature, and time to optimize your camping experience. Camp mode exemplifies the increasing multifunctionality of electric vehicles, transforming cars from simple transportation into versatile energy hubs. As trends in EV camping and remote work continue to grow, Tesla is positioned to enhance camp mode through regular software updates, making it even more efficient and user-friendly. Future versions could integrate seamlessly with Tesla's energy products, such as the Powerwall, enabling truly grid-independent camping experiences. Advanced AI could predict energy consumption based on weather data, automatically adjusting settings to maximize battery life and comfort. As electric vehicle adoption continues to rise, camp mode could become a standard feature across other electric vehicles, promoting sustainable camping and remote work lifestyles.